tree? I've seen that tree. In my dreams.
Young dragon, you've been keeping secrets.
You're Let's go. Sparks, that? You don't even know what it is.
Nonsense.
Don't bother anything smaller than a scurvy wing. And double the bounty for the one who harboring.
Hey, who are you calling a bug, you crazy-eyed Is that your damn tree? It's beautiful.
If I was you, I'm out. I ain't gonna say it again.
Yes, yourself.
You've been here for that long?
Oh, yes. But I my books. It was Gaul who led the raid on the temple the night of your birth, when Ignitus your egg.
Then how do we it?
There is no it. Live to another day.
Well, that sounds pretty good.
I'm going, and you can't me.
Then I won't.
Yes! I'm Let's do this.
What are you waiting for, dragon? Me? Coward.
Ride out this storm and live to another day.